Pressure washers make cleaning tasks easier and make them more durable. So, whenever there is an electric pressure washer, you no longer have to rub the car or anything to remove the dirt. You may be happy to clean it using a brush and soapy water with your hands. It takes a lot of time and cannot clean hard stains. There are many products available to choose electric pressure washer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric pressure washer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Joe SPX3000 2030 Max. Joe is an electric-powered robust pressure washer. It is an excellent tool for any type of car washing. This washer can generate 20-30 psi, with the help of its 1800-watt powerful motor. You can use this pressure washer on any type of vehicle, including trucks, buses, SUVs, boats, patio, buildings, etc. It is easy to handle as Joe SPX3000 is a portable device. With powerful pressure generating capacity, it ensures professional cleaning results at home. This professional cleaning kit comes with 30.4 ounces detergent tank, which is removable. You will get an extension wand, 34 inches, high-pressure hose, 20-foot, GFCI protected power cord. Not only that, but it has also included a garden hose adapter, needle cleaning kit and 5 quick connect spray tips. Altogether it is a perfect package of kits for different projects. The Joe SPX3000 Joe 2030 Max can switch off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. It means it saves power and does not get worn out easily. Overall, this is the best pressure washer if you want to wash your car without any problem by saving valuable time. It doesn't matter the weather, it always functions to the expected levels. Number 2. SIMPSON Cleaning PowerShot Gas Pressure Washer. We add details of this gas-powered pressure washer because it is an ideal alternative to an electric pressure washer for commercial use. Somehow if you want the option of an electric-powered device, it will be our recommendation. SIMPSON is powered by a Honda engine. It is outstanding because it delivers extreme power needed for efficient cleaning of the vehicles. AAA industrial triplex plunger pump ensures the water is at perfect speeds to eliminate even the most stubborn type of dirt. The hose in it is non-marring and is abrasion resistant, making it serve people longer than expected. Since it is welded steel construction, it is robust enough to make it last, even if it takes under the most intense pressure. It is convenient to use because you can move it to any position you would like to do the cleaning job. You can clean even other types of surfaces besides just cars because it is ideal for any surface. The engine works continuously for commercial uses, and you will enjoy excellent results. You can wash the fleet of vehicles, pavements, driveway and other surfaces on your compound because the machine is well made for that purpose. It saves water because the force can clean without the need always to pour water. Just mix your detergent and start the pump, you will see the sparkling cleanliness on your vehicle. Altogether, a great alternative of electric pressure washer for commercial and industrial heavy use. Number 3. Arkansas Annovi Reverberi Blue Clean. Very modern pressure washer cleaner that makes no noise while working. You can make it work even near offices and government places without disturbing the people around you. But that doesn't mean it's an ordinary kit. It produces 1900 psi pressure to clean spot and stain not only from vehicles, but also from decks, floors, walls, and other surfaces. Watts are maybe tough to clean. Everything will be easy to clean for you whenever you have an AR383 Annovi pressure washing kit. Since it has immense power, it saves water by 80% because the energy is very intense, and you can always enjoy excellent outcomes. This comes with essential accessories as nozzles, sprays and detergent bottles. You will own control over this device easily by following their easy-to-understand manual. Just see some guides to adjusting ejection speed, and become an expert to clean your car by yourself. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.